Hello, this is the video that accompanies the downloaded simple business plan builder. So spreadsheet's got two sheets. This one, which is data entry, and this one, which is where the actual plan is built. So on the data entry, we have information about the company, information about one-off sales, contracted or recurring income, and your fixed overheads. So by simply filling in these yellow fields, it will build you a simple business plan. So let's start with some test data. Start date, which should be the start date for the company or for the financial year usually. So this company sells building materials and tools. Its target market is small private builders near Reading. What's the market doing? Well, as we speak, it's growing again. What benefits your customers seeking? So for this company, what they want is a wide range of stock, early opening, stock, early opening, knowledgeable staff, and good payment terms. This is what this company's customer wants. Why do your customers choose you instead of your competitors? Well, let's say our location and reputation for is having what they need. So our promotion is website and let's say direct mail. How many years ago was the business established? 7. How many years experience does the management team have? So this is important if you're putting a plan together for an investor or perhaps to get money from the bank. So we'll say 15 here. How much cash you'll have in the business in month one? Well, either that's the cash you got at the end of the previous year, or for a startup, this will be what you're proposing to put into it. So I'm going to say this is a trading business, £120,000. What was the turnover in the previous year? Well, let's say 1.2 million. So all of this is pretty straightforward stuff. Average order or sale value, well, it's a retailer, let's call it, or wholesale, let's call it 240. And I'm going to say they make 400 sales a month. And they're looking at a bit of growth, so we're going to say 10% growth. So by the end of the year, they're going to be doing 440 sales a month. So this section is it's the direct costs here. So I'm going to say the materials costs for each of these sales is, I don't know, £100. There's no labour, no other charge. How long do you wait to pay? Well, I guess some people will pay on the counter, but let's say a lot of these builders have got trade terms, so we'll say 30 days. I'm going to leave the recurring revenue. This section here is for if they had contracts for maintenance and such like, but it's unlikely that this business will have. So we'll put in some figures here. Salaries, 26,000. This is per month. Travel expenses, nothing. Marketing, not a lot, 2,000. Insurance, let's say 450. Rent or lease, let's say £5,000 a month. Quite a big warehouse they've got. They spend a few £100 on lighting each month, and they've got a couple of vans, so let's call that 600 a month. And the fuel on that is 1,200 a month. Just keep it simple. These you'll see down here. There's some cells for putting a couple of other expenses if you want to. And that's it. So we've got a business plan. So it's for Acme Trading, it's for that period. This tells you what the business does, how it competes, what you spend your marketing money on. And some basic financials, which all look very healthy. Down here is your budget, which has all been generated from those figures in the yellow cells. So we can save it. We can print it. Here's our plan. You could save it as a PDF if you want, or as a button here. Copy it to the clipboard. Now you can paste it into Word or another unprotected Excel spreadsheet, whatever you want to do really. It's a very basic plan. It's very simple. You might want to edit some more, put some SWOT stuff in there, or maybe a few more words. But there's your simple business plan. That's it.